Hi guys, TonieSha here. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to make an animated intro. We're gonna be using three apps for today: Imovie, Phonto, and Eraser. So to get started, let's pull up Phonto. On the bottom, click the camera roll, tap plain image. On the top, change the size to 1280 by 720. Then now tap the color button and pick a color of your choice. So I'm gonna be using a bright color here. Tap use, then save the image. Before adding text to your photo, save it first every time that we have something new on your project. So I'm gonna add editing and cooking hacks because that's the kind of my channel has mostly. So I'm gonna pick white color on my text, and then I'm gonna pick black for the stroke on it, and then hit save. Then you can pick any fonts for every text that you have. So next, I'm gonna go to Google and search for paintbrush effect, maybe rose gold color, to make the text extra pretty. So I'm gonna type on here is rose gold paintbrush PNG. So I'm gonna pick this one and save in my photo library. So right now we're gonna be using Eraser app here to remove the background. This app is really helpful to your video editing journey. It makes your editing a bit more easier. So now I am removing the background slowly but surely. You know, patience is a virtue. Once you're done, tap save, then let's go back to Phonto. On the left side corner, tap 3 lines, tap add image, pick the photo, hit done. So I'm gonna make the image bigger. Just tap the size slider here. Then I'm gonna add my channel name here. Then I'm gonna add a YouTube subscribe button PNG here, just like I did earlier, then hit save. Then let's go to Imovie and create a new project. Then add all the images that we saved earlier. Then tap create movie. As you can see that the video is moving around, tap the Ken Burns disable and pinch the video to make sure that it's not moving around anymore. You can play around each transition. You can make it different for each video clip if you want to. Then add sound effects that you can get from YouTube. You just have to detach the audio. But if you're not yet familiar on how to add music on your video, I'm gonna put the link on the description box below. So here's gonna be the finished project. So there you have it for the animated intro. If this video helps you a lot, tap the like button and consider subscribing so that you won't miss any of my video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.